Hello friends, so in this video we are going to discuss practice question for GRE quant portion, and we are targeting 170 out of 170 marks in quant portion. So before starting this video, let me introduce myself. I am Poojan Davda. I am ex-IISc, MTech Mechanical, and in GATE exam I have secured AR66 in mechanical paper. So here is very first question on your screen. Quantity A and quantity B are given to us, right? So let us write quantity A and quantity B. The sum of the first 7 positive integers, that is quantity A. The sum of the first 7 positive integers, that is quantity A, 7 times the median of the first 7 positive integers, that is quantity B. Right? And we have to compare. So I had discussed concept of median in the earlier classes. Mean is arithmetic average value and median is basically middle value. Right? So we have to consider first 7 positive integers. So I'm writing first 7 positive integers over here in ascending order, right? These terms are already in ascending order. The sum of the first 7 positive integers. So what is this sum? Can you find the sum? Four, 5, 6 and 7. Right? 4, 5, 6. So can you find this sum? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7. There are 7 terms. And this sum will be equal to 28. Sum is 20. So quantity A is equal to. What is median? There are total 7 terms. See, there are total 7 terms. What is median? Median is physically middle term in this series. So if you are having 7 terms, then 4th term will be the median, right? Consider this term. This is at physically middle position. On left hand side there are 3 terms, and on right hand side there are 3 terms. So median is 4. What is median? Median is 4. What is quantity B? 7 times the median of the first 7 positive integers. Median is 4. So that is 7 into 4, that is 28. This sum is also equal to 28. So we'll choose option C. Both the quantities are equal. Right? Both the quantities are equal. So to find the median, arrange the numbers in ascending order. It is not arranged. Then just go for physically middle term. So let us move on the next question. The number of 2-digit positive integers for which the units digit is not equal to the tens digit. The number of 2-digit positive integers for which the units digit is not equal to the tens digit. Quantity B is 80. Quantity B is 80. So how many 2-digit are there? 2 digits are there. Satisfying following condition. So 2-digit numbers, right? We are finding total 2-digit numbers. So it will start from 10 to 99. Right? So total 90 2-digit numbers are there. Without any constraint, there are 90 2-digit numbers are there from 10 to 99. But we have to consider those numbers for which units place and tens place is not same. So from total 90 numbers, we will subtract those numbers in which units and tens place are same. like 11, right? These are the numbers which are not following our condition, right? In these numbers, units and tens places are same. Yes or no? Out of these 90 numbers, these are the numbers in which units and tens places are same. How many numbers are there? How many two-digit numbers are there in which units and tens places are same? From 11 to 99. Right? These are 9 numbers. Yes or no? First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, 9. Right? 1 to 9, that is 9. So we have to subtract these 9 numbers from 90 two-digit numbers. So quantity A will be equal to 90 minus 9. 81, right? So quantity A is greater than quantity B. Yes or no? Yes, it's 81. Right? You can see this approach. Question is tricky if you forget any single value of this. So let us move on to the next question. We had discussed this question, right? This question, option A is correct answer. We have already discussed this question. It is for odd function. Now I'll just change this question. I will just put plus sign, right? It is for even function. I'll just change this sign. So for which of the following functions defined for all numbers of x has the property that f of minus x is equals to f of x? You can see options, you can go through the options, and for this question, option B will be correct answer, because if you replace x with minus x, there won't be any change, right? If you replace x with minus x, then the function will remain same, and we'll call it as a even function. Call it as a even function, right? I have given these conditions for if f of minus x equals to plus f of x, that is even function. I will give you few examples as well, so that it will be very, very helpful. So I'm writing few examples. F of x is equals to x raised to 4 divided by 1 minus x. I'm writing one more example. F of x is equals to x square divided by 1 minus. Right? For odd function, f of minus x equals to minus of this odd function. We can just use this to check, and I will give you example for this as well. So f of x is equals to x divided by 1 minus x. That is odd function. If you replace x with minus x, then this condition will be true for this function. Okay. So thank you guys for watching this video. Do like it, do share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. All the best guys for your preparation. And if you follow this series sincerely, wholeheartedly, then believe me guys, you are going to get full marks. I have given you many techniques, tricks, because in GRE quant portion, it's not about only accuracy. It's about accuracy, but apart from accuracy, we have to also become very quick. Right? Within seconds, we have to get the answer without using pen, paper, without using rough sheets. Right? In many of questions, we'll be able to get the answer in minimum possible time. So see you guys in our upcoming video. Stay tuned, and all the best for your preparation.